Hi, I'm Dominic, accounting here at Steele Hyundai. I want to take the time to thank all the bus operators and maintenance people for getting everyone to work on time. Thanks a lot, guys.
Hi, I'm Peter Nazarella, Finance Manager at Steele Hyundai. I just want to say thank you to all the dedicated workers at HRP, RCMP, and Fire.
How's it going? My name is Troy Sash, a sales consultant here at Steele Hyundai. I just want to take the time to thank all the Sobeys and Superstore employees here at HRM. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Josh Woodrow, Genesis Halifax Experience Manager. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to the pharmacies on Wise Road, Shoppers, and Sobeys on Penhorn. Thank you guys for everything that you do and keeping us safe during these difficult times.
I'm Paul Blades, I'm shop foreman at Steele Hyundai. I'd like to thank janitors and cleaners.
Hi, I'm Clifford Parks at Steele Hyundai. I'd like to thank the folks at the SO at Hammond Springs.
I'm Jacob at Steele Hyundai in the parts department here. I just want to give a thank you to all the men and women working at Tim Hortons, keeping us caffeinated here and all the essential workers happy. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Mary Ann and I am thankful to be working for Steele Hyundai and just dealing with everybody here every day.
Hey, I'm Zach, Service Advisor here at Steele Hyundai. Just wanted to say a quick thank you to all the doctors and medical professionals.
Tyler, I'm a technician at Steele Hyundai, and I'd like to thank Cintas for cleaning our uniforms on a weekly basis.
Hi, I'm Chris Payson, Sales Manager here at Steele Hyundai. I just want to say thank you to all the pilots that are still up there, getting our family and friends home safely.
I'm the Director of Internet Sales over at Steele Hyundai. I just want to give a big shout out to all the nurses keeping us safe during this trying time. Thanks, guys.
I'm Matthew Monroe, Used Car Sales Manager here at Steele Hyundai. I'd like to thank the truck drivers for basically bringing everything in they do to make sure our shelves are stocked full.
Kayla McGregor here from Steele Hyundai. I would like to thank the banks for staying open and providing flexible options to myself and all of our clients. Thank you for everything you do.
Hey there, my name is Louis Stevens, Sales Manager here at Steele Hyundai. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all the veterinarians, especially Vet Center in Bedford, for keeping my animals happy and healthy. Thanks for everything you do.
Hey there, it's Mike Curry. I'm General Manager at Steele Hyundai, and I just wanted to thank all my staff that are working in these uncertain times to make sure we keep all the essential workers on the road.